We're going to Huay Resai today. It's said to be Surin, Thailand's newest tourist attraction. So we're going to find out. We have no clue about it. Jai just found it researching places to go yesterday.
Okay, friend. The other name they call ทะเลสาบซอกกราว ซอกกราว is a Khmer language. It means village. Oh, they close the road.
Construction.
Construction. ทะเลสาบซอกกราว ห้วยระไซ We
Oh,
will
look,
find out.
look at the road.
Oh,
The bridge. It's going to be like this for a while.
yeah. Taller than here.
Yeah.
Wow.
They'll be doing the road.
Oh, yeah. We didn't come here how long?
It's been a while.
A while.
Yeah, look how much higher.
Oh, yeah. Wow. I think you want to go along like this and turn here, this side better, or you want to turn where we like this, curvy.
I don't care. Just take me whichever way you want.
It's 22. Oh, that go to Buriram. We just go here. Let's just follow here to 251 turn left. 300.
Turn left.
200. Slowly. 100. Yeah, turn left here. โรงเรียนบ้านโนนแดง โนนแดงสคูล 1.2 1.1 kilometer turn left rural road 30-32
So we're going to go backwards.
better go to Pichit house
Mm-hmm.
right
And then
Turn left.
turn left
we're just going to go back to the road that we should have taken. It's flooding. For the road to be beat up this bad. Holy shit. A little car, not four-wheel drive. Might scrape bottom. This is caused from some bad flooding to do this. Surprised they don't come do something about it. This is the main road. There's another reservoir right here beside us. so bad in the pickup, I wouldn't be worried about volume now. It's because of the big river right here. All this flooding damaged the roads.
Huay Resai Bridge.
I said where the road's not fucked up from the flooding, people have rights in the road.
You can do
And this is a main road too.
it. Yeah. That's illegal. You can do shopping. They should have the law. Get the ticket. Get 100 turn right. They own property. This is my property.
Turn right.
Yeah, looks like they are. I was gonna pass, I thought, now he's gonna turn left.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. We haven't been to this?
Never.
So this is not the one we came to already.
No, that is different. This new.
There it is, everybody. It's Surin's newest tourist attraction.
Huay Resai or ทะเลสาบซอกกราวLake.
Wow, look at it. Nice.
Wow. Oh, big, huh?
hmm
Oh.
I think it might be too windy for the drone.
Yeah, very big. Very beautiful, huh?
Oh, I gotta pass this guy.
It's big reservoir.
Yeah, really,
Wow.
really nice.
Yeah. The water is
This stuff right here on the edge.
Wow.
So I guess you just park on the side of the road if you want to go in those.
We just drive first, baby.
I know, hon. I'm just saying. There's not really anywhere else to park.
Just look around. Don't know where they can park. They should have the place to park, I think.
No, if you're going to be staying in one of these way back here, you're going to park on the side of the road like
Yeah.
he's doing.
Just go first. And
So you can rent these by the day.
yeah, 100 or 200 per hours. The same like we went, remember? In the other place that we went with Master. That is close to National.
This side over here is where they have all their sales, food.
Oh yeah, like when you buy
In
here, you
200
can park
meters,
here, huh?
your destination will be
That
on the
place
left.
too.
Yeah.
A lot. One and then don't talk about it.
Your destination is on the left.
I don't think so.
They didn't say anything about it. Like they don't come here. Can stop. Stop, stop. Where stop? Oh, update. Can update. What should I favorite? Cannot do anything. little bit and you can do the map.
Taken by the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the way. Show you all the ways, yeah. Let me show you all the ways.
See the phone number up there if you want to call for reservations. We're going to take a walk down here to check it out up close. I tried flying the drone, but it is very windy here. There's walkways down here, but I think it goes only to specific units. I hope you can hear me. I don't have my microphone on. It's pretty nice. It goes, this one ties to 1, 2, 3 sites. They're pretty nice. Ladder goes up to the slide. Kind of cool. Life jackets available here too. You don't have to worry about bringing your own. I bet it's really fun here in the summertime. Even all the places up on the main road that sell food are closed at winter time, so people aren't coming. Oh, I already found a swing. Look how pretty some of these have set up with flowers.
You can walk from here.
Oh, they have their own entrance too. I was wondering how you get down to some of these. Some of them are big. I saw a sign that said $100 or 100 baht per hour. That's roughly $3. And each of these have their own phone numbers on them, owned by different individuals. Oh, this guy even put up gates. This is the locations I was talking about where they sell food for all of these different units on the, I don't know what you even call those, where you can go spend the day. I know people enjoy a lot of time here. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything. Just probably enjoy with time to get going.
Out.
Out.